You know that moment when you pick up something small and it completely shifts the way you see what's possible? That was me last night. It was almost midnight in Miami, quiet, humid, and all I had with me was my iPhone 17 Pro and this little lens. The Freewell and Steven Divish collaboration to make this 1.55 times anamorphic lens. No FX3, no $2,000 cinema glass, just a phone and a bit of engineering genius. And within minutes, I realized the setup changes everything. What you're looking at isn't a filter or a trick. It's real glass doing real optical work on a device most people only use for scrolling. This isn't just another clip-on lens. It's actually the world's first interchangeable flare anamorphic lens for iPhone, built in collaboration between Freewell, Steven Divish, a filmmaker who clearly understands what creators want. At the top of the lens, there's a small release button. Press it, and you can slide in one of 3 flare inserts: blue, gold, or neutral. Each one completely changes the feeling of what you shoot. The blue turns every street light into a sci-fi streak, sharp, cool, and digital. The gold softens everything, a warmer, nostalgic, like late night street lamps in an old movie. And the neutral gives you pure white flares, clean and almost reflective. It's like having 3 different lenses in one, and no one's ever done it like this before. Because I was recording ProRes RAW, the iPhone turns off its stabilization, so I used just a small gimbal to keep things nice and smooth. And if you're shooting ProRes RAW, you'll need an external NVMe SSD. Really, any fast one will do. Now what we have is a tiny rig you can carry in one hand, but what it produces feels nothing like a phone anymore. Now here's the honest part. At the edges, you'll notice some bending. Straight lines curve slightly, and that's barrel distortion. And it's just physics. Freewell took an optical design that usually sits inside lenses that are much, much larger, like the size of a coffee mug, and fit it into something that's super light and portable. But there is a fix for this. In DaVinci Resolve, you can use a lens distortion node. You can just bump that up to plus 0.7 or plus 1, and the distortion will go away. But here's the thing. I kind of like it. It gives the image life, a bit of movement, a reminder that you're bending light, not faking it. The next morning I woke up and I wanted to really show what's possible with the full system. On the table, I've got the Freewell 1.55 anamorphic, the iPhone Pro hybrid filter kit, and the Sherpa Grip. The hybrid filter kit works just like the lens, a mix of magnets and sliding inserts that make swapping filters fast and simple. The main filter attaches magnetically. It's a 1 to 10 stop variable ND with built-in CPL. And then you can slide in extras, an ND32, a soft GND 1.2, and the Glow Mist quarter strength. It's a brilliant design. You can change exposure, control reflections, and even soften highlights, all in seconds. And the Sherpa Grip, it makes me feel like I'm actually shooting on a real camera. It also extends and has a built-in Bluetooth 5.2 remote. It just makes the whole setup feel balanced. This isn't about comparing it to a $4,000 camera. It's about access. Because for years, if you wanted this kind of image, the wide look, the flares, the depth, you needed thousands of dollars worth of gear. Now, it's your phone and a few clever pieces of engineering. That's why this setup changed my mind. Because the creative limit isn't the gear anymore. It's the imagination behind it. Now here are my honest, true opinions on this entire setup. Now guys, I gotta tell you something. This anamorphic lens truly surprised me. It honestly just transforms the iPhone into something completely different. When I say I feel very confident using it in lieu of my, other larger cameras for a lot of my content creation. I truly mean that. I mean, just, the Sherpa Grip, just holding it, and just the optics and how the image looks, man. It just looks so good. It truly transforms the phone, like I said. Now, I do want to talk about this a little bit more. That case, okay, the case that kind of ties everything together, the Freewell case, is made very, very nicely, okay? The buttons on the side, they click in just right. And just the overall, just the quality of the case, man, is so nice. It's not thick at all and bulky. So, because I mean, it's going to be something that's going to be part of your phone for like ever, right? As long as you have that phone, you're going to have that case. And it's something that you're going to be, living with for, like all the time. And I really like that case a lot. And I like the fact that you have this like magnetic little lens cover, which, the lenses get dirty, they get smudged, and they get, dust on the surface of them. So that cover truly protects the lens, and it's really ready to go whenever, you remove the lens cover. It's a really nice added touch, and it's magnetic, so it's very easy to take on and off. And guys, just as a thank you, if you like the color grading of this video, I will include my Apple Log 2 conversion LUT free of charge. For if you want it, it's yours. I will have a link in the description for that. So guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I really tried to put a little bit more effort into this one because I really truly felt like it deserved it. And, I feel like Freewell really made something special for people who, they don't want to jump into a dedicated cinema camera, or they just don't have the money to spend thousands of dollars on an anamorphic lens. Well, here you have it now with your iPhone. You have anamorphic 1.55 times, and it's truly, truly special. Thank you guys, and I will see you on the next one.